Using this code editor, you don't need to write any code manually. You just need to think about idea, and that code editor transform your ideas into reality. So here we go. So just search your cursor.ai, and you can see that's a website, cursor.com. Open this and you will see here the AI code editor. Now we need to just sign in into this website first. So click on sign in here, and now we need to sign in with Google account. So I'm going to choose the Google. Now this is done. This is the free AI code editor. If you want to use their pro version, then you need to pay for that. Otherwise, it's totally free. So now let's click on the download and wait some seconds. Now, once you download it, you need to install that. It will take some seconds to install the Cursor AI code editor in your laptop, and it's done. Now, we're going to open that Cursor AI. You can see this one, and it's done. As you can see, this is the dashboard. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create one simple folder on my desktop is like Chatbot, okay, and just enter. Now go to the here, click on the open project, and I'm going to open here the blank folder, and that is Chatbot, and open it. That's it. Now we need to write a code here. Okay. So now you don't need to write. You just need to think. Like suppose if you want to create a chatbot app using this. So in the right side, you will see here the chat option. Suppose if I'll close it, so you will get that from this option. As you can see here, this toggle AI panel, this one. So I'm gonna just open this as chat editor like this. Create a create a simple chatbot app. Okay. Using HTML, CSS, and JS. Implement free open source API, and I'm gonna just enter. And we need to wait some seconds, okay? And I'm gonna just close this, open a span like this, okay? And that will write everything. So as you can see, I will help you to create a simple chatbot application with a clean interface and integrated it with open source API. So this will generate the index file, JS file, CSS file, everything in this code editor. So you don't need to create manually any file, okay? So as you can see here, once that AI write a code, so you have an option like you can accept it or you can reject it. So I'm gonna just accept it like this simply. So save it. Now let's wait some second and that will generate more file for us. The right top bottom, you will see the accept. Just click on this and every file is accepted. Now, as you can see, we have a HTML file, we have a CSS file, and let's wait some seconds. That will create a script.js also. Just accept this also. So now we have three files, index.html, style.css, and script.js. Now I'm going to open that file. So how we can do this? So we already have created folder here, chatbot. Open that folder. As you can see here, we have three files. Now open the index.html. Okay. Wow, the user interface is really cool. So let's try this, how this will work. Let's say hello. Let's try to put some question like what is quantum physics, and let's see. Oh, that I'll check Wikipedia for detail about that. And as you can see here, we have the answer. That's really fantastic. Cool. So let's see what is US. It's a comedy novel. Let's see what is iPhone. We have created one amazing chatbot that will give you the answer from Wikipedia. You can remove that searching Wikipedia text also from the code. Okay. So this is the really amazing example to create a chatbot with the Cursor AI. You just need to thought and Cursor AI will write every code for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.